Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, ngomba oyo ya bana mboka. Nakutana na Pandinyo, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuni esango ya Lubamba, alobisinga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka, kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika, ekuta sena mabele. Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, imbuka ketoka esingola. Nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natune sango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka, kozala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika, beko utasena mabele. Oye! Que viva África! Yeah! Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, imbuka ketoka esingola. Nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna yesango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka, kozala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika, ekuza sena mabele. Lubamba, oh yes. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iya leke yaya. Luvutiki kumavata, twenda suri na sole. Twatome sensi, njieto ya kivuila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iya leke. Kinuma vata twenda suri na sole. Twatome sensi, cheto ya chifuila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza, utaiya leke. Aya! Ezombo dikele chunga la kikolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Aye. Ezombo ditele chunga la kikolonia ya masimangani azombo kikulu. Ezombo ditele chunga la kikolonia ya masimangani azombo kikulu. Aha. Ezombo ditele chunga la kikolonia ya masimangani azombo kikulu. twatunge mbanza utaialete yaya luvutukinuma vata twenda soli na sole twatome sensi ncheto ya chifuila yaya lubamba 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 lwatunge nzo lwatunge mbanza utaialete yaya Fernando yeah. Ezombo ditele chunga la kikolonia ya masima ngadi azombo kikuyu Ezombo ditele chunga la kikolonia ya masima ngadi azombo kikuyu Nayo kaka sangu ya lubanga Kimbuka keto kae singola Nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka Natuna yesambo ya lubanga ayebisinga maloba oyo Yango na zonga mboka Usala bilanga ngoboko lobiwele Aveni ya Afrika Eko utase na mabele
Yambote, Tata David, Tata Allen.
Yambote.
I'm sorry, I'm not appearing because I'm multitasking. I'm helping someone. I'm sorry, but we are fine. Hello, if you are watching, welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much, Tata Alain, for your time, and Tata David. We're going back to Luvila. Tata Alain, what is Luvila?
Luvila is the
Now the word you can translate into English. The word is
you
Tata David.
mean clan, Kanda?
Luvila means genealogy.
Genealogy, okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
because the genealogy we have both sides, mom and dad.
That's correct.
So in Congo people, mom's side we call Kanda, hmm, meaning clan, mom's clan, and the dad side, you don't need to read it totally. You don't need to read it.
No, I'm not reading it. I'm not reading.
Sorry. Yes, that side clan is called Kise. Se meaning that. Se diame, my dad. Se. Okay, I just want you to grasp it. Very important because I'm very excited, because we're going back to the roots, who we were. Okay.
When you create that full complete name for yourself,
Sorry.
does your mother's Kanda come first, and then your father's when you recite your Luvila, your Luvila?
Dad comes first.
Dad comes first.
Unfortunately.
Okay.
Shouldn't. But depends. Some people they prefer mom. Me personally prefer mom first. Many people do mom first. Yes. When you recite, give me 1 minute. I'm in trouble here. 1 minute. Sorry, don't go. I'm very sorry. Someone was calling me. It's very urgent. I'm very sorry if you're watching. To Loloka. I'm sorry, Tata David, Tatane. Where were we? Okay. Let me try to share my screen. I need to stop this. Yes. Were you asking a question, Tata David? I can't remember. Yeah, about the reciting. I mean, reciting Luvila. We start for dad first, then mom. I mean, dad prerogative in this case. But many people prefer mom first. I do prefer mom first anyway. You know why? Because mom, yeah. Let me share my screen. Yes, if you're watching, thank you very much. We are learning Congo genetics. Yes, we knew genetics. Yes, of course, we knew it. On this one, I tried to break it down. I mean, zoom in. This is the main slide. Then let me see. See the blue is here. Yeah. Then so on, blue and the other colors. So Fumu. Okay, I need to remove this slide, otherwise you'll be confused. Because yesterday I was trying to teach the Angolan class. I think it's confusing when we start with these slides. Okay, question. Peter Allen. Sorry, Nengo Tedion is not here, but he should be the ideal person. Let's assume we're ladies. Yes. Peter Allen. You are a lady. Let's say you're a lady. Your mom and grandmom. We are from same Kanda, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Because lady. Okay. Are you with me, Tata David? Yeah, lady. So, Tubakongo people, I mean, let me just say, I don't want to offend anyone, but just you understand what I'm trying to say. Tubakongo people, we are matrilineal tradition. So to mom, even not to that, to mom, as long as you have daughters, your kanda will carry on. See what I'm trying to say? Hmm? Your mom, grandmom genes will be carrying on to the next generation. Because if you're a lady, you have just boys, then the kanda stops there.
Hmm.
That's all. You get that?
Yep.
Yeah, kanda stops there. So let me just try to use this one. This is kanda. To the Congo people, kanda is the point of reference. Hmm? Let's say, Tata Dev, your mom. Hmm? No, let's say you are the daughter. Grandmom, your kanda is just grandmom. Only her sisters, yes? Moving to the next generation. Where's my, sorry, oh, I messed up. Because my slide didn't work. Let me just go. I'm using word file. Okay. Let's just do it upside down. Daughter, you are the daughter, yes? Your kanda. No, sorry. So I'm very sorry if you're following. Let us go back. Okay, I'm grandmother. Grandmother kanda is only her sisters. Mom, granddad, daughter, yes? Mom, kanda is only mom's brother. I mean, only her sisters. Mom's brother is not included. Totally, me.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
Yes. Now I'm going to test you soon. Your daughters, all sons are not included. I'm talking in terms of who are going to carry
The
on
name,
with the genes.
the kind
Yeah?
of name. That's correct. It's the lineage of
Ladies.
the women.
Mhm.
Yeah, ladies. So to the Congo people, I mean, originally I'm saying nowadays we are modern. We've been corrupted. I mean, in a way, but when the lady, if a lady, Mukongo lady just has boys, no girls, they are always unhappy. They're never happy when they're just boys, because you can't stop. I won't say too much because of very sensitive issue. Any question, David? Your test is coming soon, Tata Alan. Any question?
I do have a question.
Go ahead, please.
So, do you ever get to a point where there's the conda just it dies out, meaning it no longer exists because the
Yeah, of
lineage.
course, it would. Yeah, it would.
Okay.
Yeah, it would, of course, because Kanda is this. Kanda is lady.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kanda is lady, stops. Yeah, Kanda,
Right.
of course.
But you also had us understand that if grandma had sisters and if your mother has sisters, any children of theirs are to be considered your brothers and sisters too. So the kanda would continue through the offspring of all these other
Sisters,
women
yeah.
who are part of your kanda, right?
Yeah, well,
Exactly,
that's true.
yeah.
That's true.
Exactly. That's why quote, unquote, we lose out according to this tradition.
Mm-hmm.
When you have boys, these boys are going to mix with another Kanda. See?
Sure.
When you're a boy, you have children, a man, you have children, they belong to that kanda, not yours. Tata Devi, yes?
Mhm.
Tata Devi, not sure. Sorry, Tata Allen, you're sure?
No, no, I'm 100%.
Okay, yeah.
I'm
Okay.
going along.
Okay, to the crunch now. Let me just share another, another. This is a test to you, both of you. I mean, yesterday I was teaching the same lesson. It's hard to understand unless we go bit by bit, you know. Just going to talk about kanda, not kise, not just kanda. Okay, Tata Allen, Ngwakazi and Tata Nkentu, are they from the same kanda or not?
They're. I'm gonna say no.
Tata David.
I think that's right because I don't see any of the other sub-kanda names that repeat across the two. They seem to be unique.
Let me just try to phrase it differently. Ngwakazi is maternal uncle. Tata Nkento is his sister. Are they from the same kanda or not? They are. So, Tata Nkento, I'm a boy. My children, to them, Tata Nkento is my sister, see?
Okay, Ngwankazi is the uncle.
Maternal uncle, maternal uncle.
Maternal uncle. Okay.
Yes. Maternal uncle, my sister. So, let's see the name. Can you see the name? Nzumba, lady named Nzumba. This lady is my sister. Tunzumba, this lady is Tatan Kent. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes.
Yeah. So okay. So let me just for context here.
Mm.
So if I were looking at this, so Tata Kento would be my dad's
Sister.
sister.
Yeah, they're from same mom, same mother.
Okay.
We need to understand here we're talking about ladies. Only ladies. I mean, if you are from different same mom but not same dad, this is not it does not apply. Yeah, same mom, only same mom.
Okay. And then for the kids of Tata Kento, Ngwankazi is their maternal uncle.
Sorry.
Ngwakazi would be their uncle. So if it's the mother, so Tata and Kento's kids, Ngwakazi is their uncle on the
Well
mother's
done.
side.
Yeah. So Makengo is this is the Ngonkwasi, yes, because I mean with Tata Devi, yes. These are Tata and Kento. These brother and sister from same mom. I need to underline same mom, only from same mom. Same mom. The brother is Ngwakazi, the sister is Tata and Kent. So you're right. Ngwakazi to Makengo. Ngwakazi is mom's brother. Ngwakazi. Okay, let's try to flip it over. This is the top. We finish it soon. This is hard, you know. I just need you to grasp it. Very important. Nzumba, or let's say Mbunga. Mbunga is Ngwakazi's son. Ngwakazi's sister. Who is she to Mbunga? Tata David is there written.
Ngwakazi's sister.
Yeah, Mbunga's dad's sister, aunt, in Kikongo is there.
No, Mbunga is the son, right? Is that what you said?
Oh, Mwaka, yeah.
Okay.
So Mwaka's sister Tumbunga in Kikongo is
Tata.
Oh, Tata and Kento to
yeah,
him.
Tata, yeah. Get this because the question's coming. Bunga dad sister is Tata Kento. I'm going to test you. Let's see. Mbala, it could be any of them. Mbala, what is the relationship between Mbala and Maria? Tata David, Tata Allen, sorry.
Mbala is a male son, right? Or is that
Of Mwakazi, yes.
okay? So the relationship is Maria is really would be considered like a parent or something, right?
Well, you got it. Yeah. Good. Then, hence, Maria is the same.
Tata Kento, yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
To Mbala, yes.
Maria is Tata Kento because it carries the gene, female gene. I mean, see?
Yeah.
So basically, Maria and mom and Wankas are from same kanda. I mean, because she's female, yes, she's carrying the same gene. Kanda, yes. Of course, Makengo, Tata Leke. Tata Leke meaning uncle, yes.
You said Tata Leke, no?
Tata Leke.
Does that mean like little uncle or?
Yeah, Tata Leke, yeah. Because this one, Maria is the Tata Kento. This is Tata Leke because they belong, although being a boy, it belong to the same kanda, mom. But as soon as is married, have a children. I mean, as soon as married, his children won't be the same kanda to his. Understand?
Yeah, the children will be their mom's kanda.
Exactly, whoever. Yes. Yeah. So, okay, we're stopping soon. Don't worry. Any questions? I just wanted to grasp it because we need to move to the next step next time. Okay. Totally. All right. Any questions, Totally?
No question.
Yes. This one is easy because we have these are ladies, no problem. Goody Nkuluntu, I mean, big sister, big mom, the younger mom, Ngudi Leke. Those are brothers and sisters, see? Same kanda, no change. Yes? These are same kanda.
And Ngudi Leke. Basically the same relationship, right? We're talking
the sister, yeah, same
So
kanda.
basically, sister, right. Older and younger sister, right?
Yeah, older and younger sister, yeah. I mean, we're talking same mom, people from same mom, yeah, sister from same mom. Because only mom. Here, same thing. Sedian Kulu to both younger brother, older brother, same kanda. These are their children, same. Okay, let me just try to put the question. This is the same kanda with these are be careful. This is kanda, the ladies. These are men, yes.
But are we saying that they're all in it? So basically, they're all from the same mother, right? With the Ngudi.
Let me ask my question.
Okay, I'm trying to understand.
Yeah, let me just ask my question. No, you carry on. Sorry. Go. What was the question?
No. I guess well, no. I'll let you ask the question. I was trying to understand the context of the relationship between the older and younger sister and the older and younger brother.
Yeah, all of them, we were talking about lady, we were talking about Kanda. All of them are same mom.
Got it. Okay.
They are same mom. Mhm. I'm going to trap. This is a tricky question. Is Makese from the same Kanda as his dad?
Hmm.
Is he?
No,
Why not?
because the dad is from the same kanda as the grandmother.
Well done. Yeah, that's yes.
Hmm.
Because Makese, this is dad. Makese, we don't know who is mom. Mom is from another Kanda. I mean, any different Kanda. Yeah.
Yeah. So my
I
kids
mean,
is of the same kanda as the mother, and the dad is the same kanda as
exactly.
the
Yeah.
grandmother.
Exactly. Mm. So when we say Kanda, what are we talking about? Alain? Kanda
The mother's that's the mother's
side. Yeah.
clan.
Matrilineal, yes, matrilineal. When we
Yeah.
say kise, get this very important. We want to talk about next time more about that because I just want you to get the kanda. Kise, what does it mean, Tata David? Kise.
That's the father's kanda.
Yes, yes. So my kanda, my mom lineage, my kise is my dad's side. Guess what?
Hmm.
Kanda of the dad. See, that's kanda. Tell you. Let's say my kanda is X. My kanda is X. X. My kise is dad's kanda. See? Is it? I don't understand.
Hmm.
Tell me.
Mm-hmm.
You don't understand that?
So you said your kanda is X, and then you said Kise's dad's kanda. Yeah, I got it.
Exactly. Yeah. Just
Mhm.
keep in mind the mom. Kanda, mom's side, it's mom. When I say kise, is my dad's clan, but I'm referring to his mom.
Mhm. No, I
Yes,
got it. I got it.
good, well done. We stop in there. No, another mistake I made yesterday was hard to explain that because we want to put those slides to let me just let me see if we can get it now. If you can understand it now, let me share quickly. Just this is the last one. Mm, yes. See, I am mom. I'm mom. I'm one. My dad's Kise, I mean Kise. Mwana is son. Kise, that side. I'm Mwana from my dad's mom. Meaning Kanda, mom's dad's Kanda, yes? That,
Mm-hmm.
yes, same thing that applies here. Applies here. Dad is Mwana to his dad's maternal clan. Mom is Mwana from her dad's maternal clan. Is it clear, Tata? Yes. Should be. Enjoy go.
Yeah, no, I got it. I got it. I got
Yeah.
it. Mhm.
Fumu, this is easy. This easy peasy. This one is clear. Kanda. Kanda. I'm Fumu, meaning Lord, from my mom's maternal clan. My mom is from a maternal clan, yes. Dad from a maternal clan, see? This is Kanda, yes. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. I know someone is commenting. Let's see. Uh, it's a brother from yesterday class. Oh, someone knows him.
Ah, Kiambote, Kiambote.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Tata David, Tata Allen.
Yeah.
Thank you for your
Thank
time.
you.
I know it's
You
Sunday.
don't do it.
You turned it. Okay. Next Sunday. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Sala Kiambote. Sala
Luenda
Kiambote.
Gambot. Luenda Gambot. You turned it.
Musala Kiambote.
You turned it. Luenda Gambot. Bye.
Temba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villielonga, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Charlie Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Kongo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masayila. Zozoru Kanu.
Lisa Keita Kulama
Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
Kinshasa, Kongo.